So you're thinking about moving to Slidell and you're curious what kind of homes can you get here? Well, in this video, we're gonna be showing you this house and this house. So if that sounds like something at all you would be interested in, make sure you stay tuned to the end. And especially for that second house, guys, it's a $900,000 house. You're gonna love it. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel and you want to know anything and everything about living in South Louisiana, the good and the bad, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe and tap that notification bell as well so that you can be the first to learn about the current real estate market here in South Louisiana. And if we haven't met before, I'm Carson and my girlfriend Natalie and I are real estate agents with Weicker Realtors Leisure Properties here in Madisonville, Louisiana. And we love helping people just like you with the process of buying and selling real estate. So whether you're looking to buy a house in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, whatever it is, guys, give us a call. Shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom call with us even. We're here to help you make your smooth move to South Louisiana. So the first subdivision we're going to today has a median sales price of $500,000 over the course of the last 6 months, and we're starting it off big today because this is a waterfront subdivision. And if you haven't seen our other videos on Slidell, you should know that it is a North Shore city on the east side of Lake Pontchartrain. It's about 35 minutes away from the Central Business District in New Orleans and about 45 minutes away from the airport. It is in St. Tammany Parish and it does have a population of about 30,000. All the public schools are rated an A+ by niche.com, and it is a little bit cheaper than the other North Shore cities. Okay, I'm here, and guys, we are in the subdivision called the Bluffs, one of the most sought after subdivisions in all of Slidell. And you know how I know that? Because people like their homes here so much, in fact, that the home I'm showing you is the only home on the market in this subdivision. Boom! We're talking 5 beds, 4 total bathrooms, 4,800 square feet, 2 living rooms, a formal dining room, and just wait till you see the backyard. Wait till you see how much privacy you have and how beautiful this backyard is. Let's go check it out. So like I said, guys, this home does come with 5 bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 total bathrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. And check out the back patio out here, guys, in this beautiful backyard. For those of you who aren't familiar with Louisiana, this is called the Bayou, okay? And you are in a subdivision where the houses are somewhat close together. Some people don't like that, but I'll tell you what, if you come out here, you would never know it. Let's go get a closer look. You can't really see it from that far. The Bayou. And what the back of the house looks like. Just check out how much space you have back here. It's a 1.83 acre lot. But anyways, before we go, I wanted to share a few amenities that this house does offer. So it's got a brand new AC and a whole house generator, a sprinkler system, a 3-car garage, plus space for probably 5+ cars, if I'm being honest with you. It's got these storm shutters, as you can see, a security system, and did I mention it's never flooded before? But other than that, you are less than 10 minutes away from shopping. Almost tripped there. Shopping centers and restaurants, and 15 minutes away from the Fremont Town Center. And I showed you guys that town center in this video right here, so check that one out if you're curious. But just to save you the time, being they've got Chipotle, they've got Red Robin, they've got pretty much any store or restaurant that you're gonna need 15 minutes away, guys, max. And it's listed at $898,000, putting the price per square foot at $187. All right, let's get some shots of the subdivision. Okay, I'm here and we are in Clipper Estates, which is a subdivision that is, of course, on the water. We're technically in Slidell, but we're in a community called Eden Isles, which to me is really just a bunch of subdivisions that are mostly on the water like this one. There's thousands and thousands of people who live in Eden Isles enjoying that Slidell lake life. And this is the house I wanted to show you guys today. Let's go check the inside out. Come on. I'll think about that waterfront view, huh? I mean, come on, look at that. Just look at it. And guys, this house has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms and 1, 2, 3 full bathrooms. And of course, in the kitchen, we've got our granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. And did you notice how ginormous this fridge and freezer is? And the little things about this house, like the backsplash and the chandelier in the entrance, just add such a nice touch. And although I don't have the exact dimensions for you, these ceilings are tall. And you know, one of my favorite things about two-story homes is when they have the balconies on the second story looking down on the first story. Another look at that chandelier. And you almost don't even need artificial lighting in this house. There's so much natural lighting. But let's go check out the master bedroom. I think it's real pretty. I love that bed frame. And in the master bathroom, we've got the sitting area built into the vanity. And I don't know, but that's one thing that really sells a house, believe it or not, is just having that little sitting area for women to put their makeup on. And we've got to go check out the back, of course. What would I be doing if I didn't show you guys the back? Oh man, is it pretty out here. Not gonna lie, it was raining pretty bad out here earlier and I was worried I wasn't gonna get any shots, but it stopped for us. There is a boat dock, as you can see, and it just, I don't know. It's so peaceful out here. Whenever people call me from out of state or even in state and they're looking for some kind of waterfront property, they want to be either on the lake or on the river, I do often recommend Eden Isles just because, I mean, take a look and you know what else? It's actually cheaper than a Mandeville or Madisonville, for instance. You know, you can find lake life, you can find waterfront properties over there, but Slidell's a little bit cheaper. See, this house is listed at $599,000, putting the price per square foot at $171. Now in Mandeville and Madisonville, you're gonna be pushing 200 plus, a lot of times $250 to $300 per square foot. And another good thing about living here is that you're still close to restaurants and shopping centers. I mean, 10-15 minutes away is what you can expect living here. Really not that far at all. Let's get some shots so you can see what the rest of the neighborhood looks like. But that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got some value out of seeing a couple houses on the market in Slidell. If you have any questions about anything I said in this video, or if you're looking to make your move in the next 9 days or the next 90 days, all of our contact info is in the description below. Also, let me know in the comments section which house you like better today. I personally like the second one. But that's about it. Like, subscribe, tap that notification bell as well, and I hope to show you around town.